Okay, today we are going to talk about an important topic. It's adjectives and how to use adjectives to make sentences. First of all, we have three kinds of adjectives: positive adjectives, comparative adjective, superlative adjectives. Okay, how to use the positive adjectives? The positive adjectives are used to describe one person, one thing. Okay, for example, the word tall. We can say, come Marwan. Listen carefully. Marwan is tall. Okay. Here I describe one person, so I use a positive adjective. Okay. Yes. Positive adjectives like tall, high, long, and these called short syllable adjectives. Short syllable adjectives like tall, high, and long. Okay. Long syllable adjectives like expensive, interesting, modern, crowded, and so on. What about comparative adjectives? We use these kinds of adjectives to compare differences between two groups, two things, two people. Example, Marwan, Mahmoud. Come to the front. Look carefully. Who can use taller to make sentence? Taller. Yes, Omar, come. Stand here. Your sentence.
Marwan is taller than Mahmoud.
Marwan is taller than Mahmoud. Here I am describing or making comparison between two people, two persons, Marwan and Mahmoud. So we use taller than. Okay, thank you. Sit down. The word higher than. This building is higher than that building. Okay, longer than. Longer. This street is longer than that one. The long syllable adjectives like expensive and interesting. In this case, we use more than. We put the adjective between more and than, or less and than. More interesting than, less interesting than, more expensive than, less expensive than, more crowded than, less expensive or less crowded than. What about superlative adjectives? In this kind of adjectives, we say that this object is upper or lower limit of quality. Okay, like what? The tallest. Ahmed is the tallest one in our class. The highest. This building is the highest in our city. The most expensive and the least expensive. The long syllable adjectives, we put the most or the least before the adjectives. Don't add anything. Okay? The most interesting, the least interesting. Now, here's some examples like number one. Who can read the examples? Number one, Mahmoud, come to the front. Ahmed is tall. What kind of adjective is the word tall? What kind of adjective? Yes? Positive, yes. It's positive adjective. We use the word tall to describe what? To describe this person, Ahmed. Okay? Mahmoud. Sit down. Number two. Read this.
Building is very high.
Yes, this building is very high. High is a positive adjective. Yes. Muhammad.
My watch is very expensive.
My watch is very expensive. Expensive is a positive adjective. Yes. Ahmed. Number four.
Ahmed is taller than.
Ahmed is taller than Ali. We have here comparative adjective. How many people here in this sentence? We have number one, Ahmed, the second one, or number two, Ali. So here we use comparative adjectives to compare the two people here. Yes, number five. Yes, Mahmoud. Yes, number five, the Amazon. Here we have a comparison between the two rivers, the Nile River and the Amazon. So we use what kind of adjectives we used here? We use comparative adjectives to compare the two rivers. Yes, longer than. And longer here, or the adjective long is short syllable adjective. Yes, sit down. Number 6, Muhammad.
Cairo is more crowded than.
More crowded than. The word crowded is long syllable adjective, so we put more and than. Who can start this sentence with Aswan? I want Aswan instead of Cairo in this sentence. Yes, Husam? Quickly. Sit down. Begin your sentence with Aswan.
Aswan is more crowded than Cairo.
No, if Cairo is more crowded than Aswan, so Aswan is, Muhammad?
Less crowded.
Again?
Less crowded.
Aswan is less crowded than Cairo. Yes, good. Number 7, sit down. Adham, come quickly. Number 7. Class 1A is noisier than class 1B. What's the positive form of noisier? The positive. What's the positive form of noisier?
Noisy.
Again?
Noisy.
Noisy, yes. Come. Noisy. Noisy ends in Y. If you have an adjective that ends in Y, you can add IER instead of the letter Y. So it becomes noisier, like this. NOISIER instead of the Y letter. Okay? Yes, here I'm making a comparison between class A and class B using the adjective noisy. So we use noisier, then it's a comparative adjective. Yes. Now number 8. Yes. Marwan.
Ahmed is the tallest student.
Speak up. Ahmed.
Ahmed is the tallest
Ahmed is the tallest
student.
student in our class. Here, I describe Ahmed and give him superiority. He is superior to his classmates. Okay? Ahmed is the tallest student in our class, and this is superlative adjective. Yes. Number 9. Yusuf. English.
English is the most interesting.
The most interesting. It's a long syllable adjective, so we use the most. We can say science, for example. Science is the least interesting. The least. Yes. Number 10. Number 10. Yes. Eid. This exercise is the easiest. The easiest. The adjective easy. Easy ends in Y. So we change the Y to IEST to make superlative adjectives. I hope you understand. Thank you.